if we jump over into our tools area, with the topology discovered, we can use things like IPMAC Finder that will help us find any IP address or device on the network. You can manually type in an IP address and then hit Find IP, and it will show you everywhere that IP address is active, and what type of siting it is. Like you can see that this device, is recognized as the individual owner of that device, but that this IP address is seen in lots of different ARP caches. Actually, it's my discovery machine, so that's why it's being seen pretty much across the board. But if I type in a different IP address, I may just see where that is. But along with those devices, we can actually go in and, sorry, go ahead and go to all my devices. I can select this device, and you can see that this device was discovered with an IP and a MAC address, and I can go ahead and try to find that MAC across the whole network. So in real time, I can see everywhere that MAC address is seen, and also detail where it is actually connected to the network. So that's a key feature of UVexplorer, is that you can take the discovery results that you have saved and actually search for different devices and IPs, MACs across your entire infrastructure.